Could your dog's cough or fever actually be a deadly fungal infection? Before I explain, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more life-saving pet health tips. Blastomycosis is a serious fungal disease dogs can get by breathing in spores from soil, especially near rivers and wooded areas. Early signs include coughing, trouble breathing, fever, weight loss, and swollen eyes. Without fast veterinary treatment, it can become life-threatening. If your dog has these symptoms, don't wait, contact your veterinarian immediately. Follow for more expert pet care tips that could help save your dog's life.